Hello everybody, my name is Pete Lennox and welcome to the channel. So today we had a little good fortune out here at the ranch. I'll tell you what happened a couple years ago. You can look back at one of our older videos. A couple years ago I tried to capture a beehive, a honeybee hive, from an old dilapidated trailer next to our property, and big failure. We did get some bees, but we never got the queen, so so it ended up they only lived for a couple months, and then they didn't have a queen to make more eggs, so they all died. So I still had some boxes that I had set up for the bees, and I took them up here in the woods and just set them up with some of the honeycomb on them, kind of hoping maybe some lost, swarm of bees would find them. That was probably a year and a half ago. We put these up here and nothing has happened, until a couple days ago. We were out here walking around, noticed some bee activity around one of the boxes, and it looks like we found a swarm. So this is like a really lucky, I guess, prosperous thing for us, and we're going to show you this beehive. So over here in the woods. And so this is the box. It's a homemade box. I made the two of them, as you can see. And this one has some bees going in it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave them alone for probably a month or so. Let them get a colony going and get settled, and hopefully make some honeycomb. And then we'll take a look at them. We'll film it. So it looks like we got a lot of bees, so that's a good thing. I'm going to get June of it.
Just want to stick her nose in it.
I guess they're not scared of June if you're not scared of the bees.
She looks like a little badger. They should be scared of her.
Yeah, but you look like a little bear with your dark clothes on. They say dark clothing is looks like a bear.
Whatever.
That's why you're supposed to wear white.
I'm not scared of bears. There's not bears even here. I've never seen a bear before.